Okay, ladies, I had to test this. Yes, today I am putting the headband wig up against the quick wrap ponytail braided wig. Oh my gosh, which one will you choose? I know everybody loves a headband wig, very easy and quick to install, but what? This quick wrap braided ponytail that you can wear up or down in a bun, wear it down in cute, simple styles versus this headband wig. Okay, ladies, let's jump into this video and let's test and see which one you are going to choose. So, if you have not seen this new braided quick wrap ponytail that you can get done in about 5 minutes, ladies, you are in for a treat today. Yes, this is the quick wrap 5 minute. Yes, 5 minute ponytail. Look how fast that is done. You can wear it in various styles. Look at this braided ponytail. This is in a bun, ladies. Yes, a quick bun that you can do in 5 minutes. If you have baby hair, you can slide this headband back and create your baby hair on the side. And look how it is. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Yes, it comes on a long band. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle. And all you have to do is put your stocking cap on. It is 20 inches long. Install your stocking cap. Put those combs in, slide it underneath your cap. Tie down the headband, which is really long, so it's very easy for you to just wrap it around. Yes, and it is sold on my website. Tap the link in the description below to get your order in today. Yes, it comes in various colors. I have 1B, which is an off black. It comes in a 1B30 as well as a 1B burgundy. It comes in a gray color. Yes, and I also have it in the twist style. Here is another method of how to install. Again, the braids are pre-braided on the headband, ladies. Super easy to use. It's 24 to 30 inches, which makes it very easy to wear in various styles. Again, it has 3 combs on it, 2 on the side and 1 in the middle for extra security. It's a lightweight. And again, you can wear it in various styles. So as you can see, this client right here, she just put it on with her cap on. She installed and secured the 3 combs. She took the band and wrapped the band around the perimeter of her head, and then she took the remainder of the band and wrapped it around the ponytail to give it a high ponytail look. So yes, you can wear it down in a high ponytail, or you can put it up in a bun as she is doing here. Ladies, this is amazing. Quick, fast, easy, not a lot of work, beginner friendly, and again, you can wear it in various styles. So ladies, which one are you going to choose? This quick 5-minute headband, braided, already braided. You don't have to sit for 3 and 4 hours or longer just to get your hair braided and be able to wear it in a ponytail. Or let's jump into this headband wig, which is another favorite for a lot of people. Super easy to slip on with no glue, no stress. This is the headband wig. Yes. So I'm going to show you how I do my headband wig for my clients. Most of my clients do not like taking their wigs off at night. They prefer to keep their wigs on and be able to wake up in the morning, take their bonnet off, and be ready to go. Yes, because that is the world we are living in. Everything is moving super fast. So I'm going to show you how I install my headband wigs, or mostly all my wigs, by sewing them down. Yes, sewing them down will keep them in place place, keep them secure, and all you have to do is wake up in the morning and be ready to go. So the most important thing is when you are sewing down your wigs, you do not have to stitch really close together. You can stretch those stitches far apart and your wig is still going to be safe, secure, and you don't have to worry about it slipping, sliding, or moving. So again, I am going in, and the key is to make sure that you are going in the same way you came out. So I'm going to try to show you exactly what I mean by that. So I just came out the bottom with that needle and thread, and I'm going back in the bottom. I just came out the top and I'm going back in the top. So the key is to go in the same way you came out. That is to prevent from seeing the thread, and you don't want that, ladies. You do not want to be able to see your thread at any point in time when you are sewing down your wig. So again, as you can see, I just came out the top. I'm going back in with my needle from the top. I'm coming out the bottom right there, and I'm going back in the bottom. This is the key, ladies, to making sure that you have a flawless sew-in wig install every single time. I guarantee if you do this, you will not see any thread, and your sew down will be perfect. It will be flawless. So because this has a headband on it, I'm just going to sew up to the headband. And once I get to the headband, unfortunately, I didn't show you the braid pattern that I did underneath, but I did braid her hair in a braid pattern, and I did 2 perimeter braids on the side going down. I never braid my client's hair going back because that is pulling on the edges, and that's causing too much tension, stress, and tightness on the edges, and we do not want to do that. So again, now I am at that headband, and this is the perimeter braid or the side braid that I was telling you that I'm sewing down to. So I'm just going to sew in and out just the same as I did the back. As you can see, where I go in at is where I'm coming out at, and this is going to give her the security that she needs in the front on this headband wig. Again, the headband wig is very easy to install, just like that 5-minute quick wrap. But which one will you choose? Which one is going to be better for you? Do you want the quick 5-minute, or do you want this headband wig? Both are very easy to install. There's no sliding, there's no tightness. It's beginner friendly, it's breathable, it's scalp friendly. So which one will you choose? Here you can see I am just securing the wig at the top. I am not going to sew in the front of the headband around her hairline. That is not going to be necessary to keep the wig secure, nor do I want to take the chance of any thread being shown. And I also want to make sure that I'm making this style as healthy as possible for her edges. So I'm not sewing down on her hairline in front of the headband. I'm only going to secure the wig right here at the top, as you can see. And again, voila, we are done. This took me about 30 minutes to do the braid down, about 15 minutes, and then to install the wig and sew it down took me about another 20 minutes. So it's about a 45 minute total installation versus the 5-minute quick wrap braided wig or band. And look how gorgeous it came out. Again, I am never hating on the headband wig because it is wonderful. It's amazing. Again, it's a quick install, and it is what a beautiful outcome. Look how this completed style look. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, tap the link in the description below to get your order in for either one, the headband wig or that 5-minute braided. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate you supporting my channel. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos. two of the most popular hairstyles together, an instant ponytail and a headband wig. Please let me know which one